Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Sofia Bevarly.
Here I should celebrate, think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Sofia is an Instagram model, influencer, and social media sensation. She's well known for her stunning bikini shoots.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame.
Sofia was born on April 26, 1996, in the United States. She's 27 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Taurus.
Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
She's about 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighs around 55 kilograms.
Yeah, all I need are some better days, cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Her estimated body measurements are 35, 24, 35 inches.
That's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work.
Sofia was associated with Dan Bilzerian and even collaborated with Bang Energy drink.
So many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
So, what are your thoughts on Sofia? Isn't she absolutely amazing?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
All I need are some better days, cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.